Welcome to Owell's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book of Daniel, chapter 6. Daniel and the Lions. Daniel lived in Israel a long time ago. But when he was a lad, he was captured by his foe. They took him off to Babylon and made him serve the king. But Daniel prayed and lived for God in spite of everything. The king looked around for someone wise and good, someone he could trust to do the things he should. The king picked Daniel, but it made the others mad. So they figured out a plan to make Daniel look bad. The men came before the king and said, "You are so great. May we suggest a simple rule that you can legislate? For 30 days and 30 nights, to you alone we'll pray. The lion's den will be the fate of all who disobey." The king agreed, and so the rule was made into a law. The other men watched Daniel, and this is what they saw. Daniel went into his room and kneeling down to pray. He thanked the Lord and asked for help like every other day. The men ran to tell the king that Daniel disobeyed. The king was so sad, but couldn't change the rule that he had made. And so, the men took Daniel and brought him to the den. They threw him to the lions. Oh, what would he do then? The king was so unhappy. He couldn't sleep that night. When morning came, he quickly ran and cried. "Are you all right?" Daniel answered. "Yes, O king." They didn't get a bite, for God sent his angel to shut their mouths up tight. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Daniel and the Lions from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.